today?
Really well, really well.
And what were you feeling before you came?
Nervous, apprehensive, anxious, scared. Very scared.
Very scared. And when we got here, did you feel reassured?
Yes, yeah.
And what things made you feel better?
Meeting John. Meeting John, he's a nice guy. Yeah, I don't know, just you guys fill me with confidence, so it's good.
Good. And how was the paddling?
Scary but good, really good.
What was good?
Just overcoming my fear, I guess, a little bit, and putting myself out there again a little bit and actually doing it, you know. Yeah.